Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the construction of the Suncoast Adventure Park. Now what you're looking at is the Southern Coastal Highway. Very nice road, 4-lane dual carriageway. Will get you from Kingston to the Suncoast Adventure Park in probably 10-15 minutes. So there you can see the Suncoast Adventure Park being built right across from the highway. There should be an exit to access the Suncoast Adventure Park. So it's literally right by the highway. Now this highway is bringing a lot of economic benefit to this side of the island. This highway runs from Harborview to Portland. But from Harborview to Yalos, it's going to be 4 lanes. I mean, this is probably going to be one of the nicest roads in Jamaica. Might actually be, well, no, Mandela Highway is definitely the nicest road. It's going to be one of the top 5 nicest roads. But in terms of the eastern part of the island, this road is a game changer. And so one of the many developments going on over here is the Suncoast Adventure Park. There you can see they have just started construction. So the Suncoast Beach Club is the first of its kind residential community in Jamaica. It's located approximately 15 minutes from the eastern boundary of the island's capital, Kingston. Suncoast Beach Club, I think I called it by the wrong name before, guys. Sorry about that. It's a Suncoast Beach Club. The Suncoast Beach Club is set to be a paradise home setting on 90 acres of beachfront property, sensationally packaged as a resort-style gated residential community on Jamaica's untapped southern coastline. The concept behind the community, nestled in 12-mile St. Thomas, is refreshingly unique. It offers Mediterranean-like living with an amazing package of amenities for comfort and convenience. The mix of residential options comprising townhouses, villas, duplexes, and luxury condominiums is designed to meet a variety of lifestyle choices and budgets. But whatever your choice, you are guaranteed a high build quality in a first-class, contemporary, and eco-friendly residential community. Living at Suncoast means healthy, coastal living just on the outskirts of cosmopolitan Kingston. It also means a smart investment that will result in growing equity in your home even as you enjoy its benefits. And they have different kinds. So the 2-bedroom townhouse starts at US $360,000. They have 3 bedrooms. And so basically the price is, the 3-bedroom duplex is $480,000 US. So, and then it goes on to say, Suncoast Beach Club is being developed by TCF Holdings Limited, which is driven by a mandate to introduce highly innovative contemporary housing solutions for both the local and international real estate markets. And they talk about having a very competent project team covering, among other areas, land surveying, environmental consultancy, realtors, structural engineers, etc. So this is definitely a very nice complex, and it's huge. They said what? 90 acres? So this is definitely an upscale development. Okay. And there you can see how close it is to the highway, which is very important because it will make getting here so much easier. Before the highway, I mean, St. Thomas was literally the forgotten parish. But now with the highway, you can get here so easy. It's a game changer. And you have the Mark Bay Urban Center being built in St. Thomas. You have another urban center being built in Portland. And you have a luxury hotel going up in St. Thomas also. And all of these things are a result of this highway. And there's many more to come. This highway has opened up the eastern part of the island. It has literally put it back on the map. Getting here is so easy. You're driving on a highway quality road. The days are taking those long winding roads. And when you talk about bad roads, those days are over. You have a highway quality road. Now, the most important thing about this road is it's not a toll road. You don't have to pay to use this road. That is a game changer also. Jamaica has other roads like this, but they're toll roads. This one is not a toll road. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. As I'm not sure where I said it at the beginning, but as you can see, the development has just started. And it starts here, and there's going to be a road that you can take going under the highway, and it goes all the way over on the other side of the highway. It's not just on the left, it's literally most of it is going to be on the right and goes all the way back to the beach. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.